supporting the development of new enabling tools to respectively, if you can click, to respectively enable the support in clinical decision making with the application of personalized model onto large volumes of integrated data and thus the possibility of comparing patient conditions or looking for similarities over the large population of patients in the project. Can you move to the next? No, back.
Sorry.
That's okay. It also supported the development of new applications for helping in knowledge discovery with the provision of advanced application interfaces to formulate queries and complex processes to mine the data and eventually discovering correlations in the information. So to do so, Health E-Child adopted the so-called grid computing. We're unlikely to supercomputing where the facilities are centralized, expensive, and limited in scalability. It relied on a set of distributed and heterogeneous cheap resources that were syndicated by the grid middleware and developed a so-called health grid, a platform delivering healthcare services based on that distributed computing facility. Mainly what Health E-Child did has been to exploit the major dimensions of the grid technology, respectively with the storage capacity to allow the clinical centers to store and share massive volumes of clinical information in a secure and anonymous manner. The computing power dimension, so coupling to this data computing power and computationally demanding applications that can mine this data and process and output scientifically exploitable results. And last but not least, providing the connectivity and security that was necessary to enable the exchange of information throughout the European Health E-Child network. So mainly Health E-Child developed so-called access points, allowing the clinical centers to access from the remote the databases of each individual centers participating to the network. So progressively centers were able to collect their data and manage their own local data sets and share with the others in the network. In addition to that, and still thanks to the grid technology, the centers were able to run computationally demanding applications by exploiting the syndicated computing resources of the Health E-Child network. So that is typically the case when we were in a distributed manner comparing or looking for similar shapes of ventricles throughout the Health E-Child database. So to deliver the solution, we designed a new approach where we provided the physicians with a physical key to enter the system, actually a simple USB stick. Can you click? And a gateway access point installed at their premises, which was providing a good quality of services and access to the remote clinical centers. Okay. So again, sorry, it's full of animation, so if you can click again until the, okay. The access point in itself, concretely speaking, is made of 2 units that are virtualized, and onto which I will not detail the software packages, but